Just finished up the install, 2018 Toyota CHR for Apple CarPlay. If we step into the vehicle now, so as you can see, CarPlay is up on your screen. We have the ability to swipe. So if we swipe across the screen, we can go to Waze. We can enter our destination. We can then come out to music. We have all your relevant music apps on here. So if we go to your normal main menu, again we can swipe. We have Safari maps, phone calls, music, messaging. It will use Siri to respond in order for messaging. Obviously you have 3 most recently used apps on the side, which is 1 for phone calls, 1 for messaging, 1 for music. We have a split screen on the left, which will give you maps and music in one place with directions on the top right. So to exit the CarPlay menu, we just press the power button and it will return to your normal system. To enter into the menu, we just press and hold the speech button and it will enter into our menu. Here we go. Obviously it works with your original reversing camera as well. So if I put the vehicle into reverse, reverse comes up as normal. If I go back to your normal mode, CarPlay will then reappear.